Hey everyone, I'm Danny and welcome to Wizardry Workshop. I got a package from Chantal from Raven's Minis. I knew she was sending me this. She told me something was coming, and this actually arrived in December. It was just right before the holiday, and I just didn't have time to open it. And then January hit, and I got sick twice in January. And then I got sick again in February, which was last month, with COVID. So I have been, like, this entire year so far, just out. I'm either sick or trying to catch up with everything. I'm finally not sick. I said it, and I hope the universe doesn't take it and make me regret that I said it. And I finally can open this box, and I haven't ghosted Chantal or anything. She knows what's been going on with me. I'm sorry that it took me this long to open the box, though. So this box should be full of sweets from Australia. If you haven't checked out Raven's Minis here on YouTube, you should definitely check her channel out. She does a whole bunch of awesome Harry Potter miniatures, and I collaborate with her a lot. We, in fact, are working on a collab right now, but it's probably not going to come till a little later, so maybe I shouldn't even mention it. Thank you, Chantal, for sending me this, and thank you for all your patience. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what she sent. I just love how she put these really cool stamps all over there. They're gold foiled and stuff. Those are really awesome. Ooh, this looks nice. Wow, it's nicely wrapped and everything. Can I just take this whole thing out? No, I'm gonna open it like this. I don't wanna like ruin anything. And then we have Raven's Minis, very professional. You can see all of her socials right there. And then we got this really cool planet-shaped paperclip and a letter. Hello, Danny. I hope this parcel finds you well. This is just a little way to say thank you for your friendship and the collaborations over the last year. May it long continue. In this box, you'll find a little bit of the Australian honeydukes, if you will. Enjoy. Magical greetings from down under, the Wilson family. Thank you, Chantal. I feel bad about not being able to open it till now, and I'm really sorry. But yes, thank you also for your friendship, the collaborations, and also this box. So we've got this kind of like stained thing, cloth, that's the word, and it is just packed with candy. Wow. Okay, this is this one's wrapped, so we'll take a look. It says make your own miniature proclamation frames. Woo. Oh, okay, cool. So it's more than candy, or are these like, is this also something candy? Let's see. Oh, and it's wrapped. Man, I hope this wasn't supposed to be for Christmas. Here we go. Oh, cool. These are from one of our collaborations, and it was the proclamation. So now she has sent me a whole bunch of the mini ones that she made, and I can customize them and make my own. And there's even little tiny locks inside there, which I think is really cool. And now there are so many sweets in here. Like, I feel like I should take a bite of everything to taste it, like right now. But then I've got all this candy open that I'm not going to finish. So I will pick one of them, or maybe a couple of them to taste, and the others I will save so that I don't like waste a whole bunch of chocolate. So first of all, let's see what we got. Cherry Ripe, double dipped Cadbury. I've never seen this, probably because it doesn't exist in the US. She also sent another Cadbury brand. This is Caramilk, a golden blend of caramelized white chocolate. Now, see, this is funny because I love white chocolate and caramel or caramel. Ooh, and we have Fry's Turkish Delight. Don't know if I've ever had a Turkish Delight. It says made in Australia from imported and local ingredients. A sensationally soft Turkish Delight. It does feel soft. Center coated in milk chocolate. That sounds tasty. Australia's Violet Crumble. Gluten-free. It's the way it shatters that matters. And then we also have Tim Tam. Oh, Murray River Salted Caramel made with irresistible milk chocolate. You can see them here. They do look tasty. All right, let's see. Oh, there's another wrapped one. It says DIY Gothic bookcase in miniature, of course. Oh, this is cool. So she sent me some more of these, so I'll be able to make some of these miniatures. This is awesome. I don't know how long it takes to cut all this stuff. It probably isn't quick. Okay, so now we have some stuff that's not sweet. We have some Harvey traditional beef jerky. So here we go, some Australian beef jerky. Is it wallaby meat? Thank you so much. I do love beef jerky, so I'm excited about that. We also have another Cadbury Marvelous Creations Jelly Popping Candy Beanie in dairy milk and milk chocolate. This is strange. Is this actual chocolate with jelly beans inside? I'm trying it. And then we've got some Carmelo Koalas. So I'm guessing those are caramel, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. Very generous with the candies and chocolates and sweets and everything. And then we've got Active Go Efficient Energy Release, 8 vitamins and minerals. Just a way to start your morning. So she did say, make sure you open this before your morning hot chocolate. So this is definitely what she was talking about. This is hot chocolate, but energy hot chocolate. Great to enjoy hot or cold. Now, I've got all this candy. I can't eat all of this. I don't want to waste it by opening them all, eating one thing, and then leaving it. So I'm just gonna pick a couple of things to try in this video, but I've got to go for those Marvelous Creations jelly popping candy beanies. So it looks like jelly beans, but then it also looks like M&Ms inside. So I'm not sure, and I'm gonna find out right now because I want to know. This is gigantic, by the way. Here we go. It has popping candy in it. That's why it's called jelly popping candy. We need to investigate this. It has Pop Rock like candy all throughout the chocolate, and it does have jellies in there too, but not jelly beans, you know, like gummy worms. It has gummy candy in it. Probably wouldn't work so well with dark chocolate, but with milk chocolate, that's actually pretty good. So these are Tim Tam salted caramel chocolate. These are pretty big too. Let's see. Okay, the inside, it doesn't look as pretty as the picture on the front, but it does have caramel on the inside. That's good. Better than the Cadbury dairy milk things. Those were good too, but I would probably like have a bowl of ice cream and stick these in it. It would be a good ice cream topping. These are so good. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna try is Savory, the beef jerky. I do love beef jerky, so let's see how good it is in Australia. That's a solid beef jerky. Okay, so that was my sugar intake for like at least the next few days to maybe even the whole week. And this altogether is probably my sugar intake for the entire year. So you've got me covered. Thank you very much, Chantal, for sending me all of this stuff. I really loved it, and I can't wait to taste more of the Down Under treats that you sent. And really, thank you so much for the minis that I can now create. I'm definitely going to be making all of this. Specifically excited about these proclamations because I can turn them into ornaments or something for the Christmas tree this year, which is a long way away, giving me plenty of time to do this and still catch up with everything I'm behind on after being sick for like 2 months. Do I need to send you some American treats now? We'll talk about that. If you've made it all the way to the end of the video with me, you're a Wizard Harry. Give it a thumbs up down below if you did like this video, and subscribe for more magical unboxings having to do with Harry Potter, DIY projects, random videos like this. Thank you, Chantal, for the package. Thank you, everybody else, for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.